Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install Apache Maven on Windows 11. For that we need Java. So first we will install Java, then we will install Apache Maven. So let us start with the first step, that is to install the current Java version. Go to the web browser. On Google type Oracle Java and press enter. Click on the link. So Java is owned by Oracle. Here is the official link oracle.com/java. From here click download Java. Go below and the current version is visible. Here it is. For Windows, click here. Go below. We want the installer file, so I'll click the exe file. It's 205 MB. Click on it to download. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. The files will get installed in the following location. Not a problem. Click next. The setup completed. Click close. Now let us go to the path. We installed it in C drive, program files. Here it is Java, JDK 24. Go to bin, copy this path. Now let us set the environment variables. Go to start, type environment variables and click here, open. Under edit the system environment variables. Click open. Now under system properties, click environment variables. Under path, double click the path, click new and paste the same path. Right click paste. Here it is. Click OK. Now we need to also set the Java home path. So click new. Here type Java underscore home. Paste the same path. But since we want for home, so we will remove the bin. Click OK. OK. And the last OK. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Type the command java space -- version. The following is visible. That means we successfully installed the current Java version. Close this. Now let us install Apache Maven. Go to the browser. Here type Apache Maven and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website maven.apache.org. Click downloads. Go below. Click on binary zip archive. Here it is. .zip file. Click on it. Here is the download. We have downloaded the zip file for Apache Maven. Right click and click show in folder. Here is the zip file. Right click and click extract all. Here click extract. Here is the file we extracted. Right click and copy. Go to C drive, program files. Right click and paste. Click continue. Now here is the file. Open it. Click the bin and copy the path. Now we will set the Maven path. Go to start, type environment variables. Click open. Under edit the system environment variables. Click open. Click environment variables. Double click the path. Click new and paste the same path. That is the Maven path. Here it is. Click OK. Now let us set the Maven home path. Just like we set the Java home path here, click new, type maven underscore home for the path, paste the same path and again remove the bin. Click OK, OK and the last OK. Now let us verify the installation of Maven. Go to start, type cmd, click open. Now type mvn space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. Here it is guys, the following is visible. That means we successfully installed Apache Maven on Windows 11. For free tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.